Oh, God. Oh. Oh, that's a good one. Yes. Woo. That is a tank. All right. Another river trip. We got Dad and Ben with me this time. Dad's the captain of this ship.
Captain of the boat.
I'm gonna get to fish a little bit now. Maybe, unless Dad doesn't.
All I can tell you is hang on. We're liable it will be from one bank to the other.
It's all right. Fish? Yep. Yeah, buddy. All right. Nice. Oh, he got off.
First fish of the day.
All
Maybe
right.
that'll break the streak.
But yeah, slow water.
There's a buffalo.
Oh, he's good.
That's right. I threw it right in front of him, boy. And he just got it. Yeah. Oh no!
Did he get off?
Yes.
I saw him. I was like, it looks like he's going up after it.
Right in front of his wheelhouse. Golly, man. Yeah, dude.
Oh, nice, nice. Ooh, there's a big old buffalo. Eat that. Oh, got him! I saw him go after it.
Let me get. It's a big one, too.
I'll just wear him out. Hopefully, I don't know how good that's in his mouth. You'll probably have to get his head with that net. He's so big. That's where I wish I had a big net.
See if I can get it close to it. He's just talking about catching it. He got a hold of it.
He's so strong, dude. I'm not even
Trying to out. Got him. He's
I can get
pulling
him
that
close.
thing. He's huge. He's a big one too. You get it? That's a good size one.
He's got to be getting tired though, because I'm. All right, if he can get his head into that net,
Where's he coming?
just hold it. That's right. I'll stay right there. Don't go into the boat.
God, that's a big one. Try to get you real close.
God, he's a brute. All right, let me get him up higher. See if I can pull him up.
That's a good one. Get him?
Get him. Yeah.
Look at that sucker. Golly. Look at that thing. Oh, gosh.
What happened? Oh, he broke my net.
Oh, he did.
It's all right. That's all right. I've been waiting for a fish so big it'd break my net. Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
Oh man, so much fun. All right, we're gonna let him go. Yeah.
While they're out there catching all these little small fish, pulling in the big ones, baby.
Well, we're a couple miles down, mile and a half, 2 miles from takeout, but Dad's been rowing us downriver. You think your shoulders
I'm
are gonna
quite the boat captain.
your shoulders are gonna be sore tomorrow?
Yeah.
It's been a good float. We've been the only floaters on the river, so that's been nice. Yeah, we'll see if we can pull a few more fish. Oh God! Oh!
You get one?
Oh, that's a good one. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh, he's going on the log. Oh shoot! Get out of here. Oh!
Oh, that's a good one. Yeah, we can still use the net. It just ain't as good as it was.
Don't go under that log. Don't go under that log. Don't go under that log. Look at that tank. Oh my gosh. Yes!
Good fish.
Woo, boy!
Good fish.
Holy crap. That is a tank of a
Good
smallmouth.
fish.
That is a tank. Look at that tank. Holy crap. That's a 20-inch fish right there. Man, we're almost to the end of the trip. Big old buffalo and a big old smallmouth. What a tank. Man. Past my elbow. Man. Heck yeah. Nice day. Beautiful float. We did about 6 miles. And had my workhorse here. So it's pretty nice.
Dad rode 4 of it.
Dad rode most of it, and I got to fish, so keep him around a little bit. Good work. What'd you think, Ben?
It's a good day. Pretty day.
It's a good day.
Hasn't been too hot.
Not too bad.
One thing about it, we've had it to ourselves.
Yep, have not seen one floater today. We have not seen one floater today, so that's been really nice. But anyways, we're gonna get unloaded and call it a day.